I've been thinking about the days when you and me were starving. Never too afraid to say aloud what we wanted. We would sit on the hood of my car, looking higher, higher, making plans in the dark for a future that's brighter. If you would have told me when we were wishing on stars, we would make it this far. Two young and stupid kids, tripping over our hearts, still collecting our scars. Look at where we are right now.